Today I will show you how to make your exhaust look like new in just 10 minutes. First, you will need a stainless steel polish. You can use the same as I used, or you can use one of your choice. Then you will have to clean your dirty exhaust with some brake cleaner. Then take the microfiber cloth, just some polish on it, and start to scrub the exhaust. As you can see, if your exhaust is really black, then it will not go away. So you have to take some sanding paper with 1000 grit, some water, and just take everything out. Once you're satisfied with the result you have, then you take the polish again and start to scrub it again. So with the time it will get anyway yellowish again and black. So you will have to do this like one time a year. But if you want to have a fresh exhaust every time, then do it. It's just 10 euros. It doesn't take a lot of time, so it's worth it. So here you have the finished look of the bike. I did this in 10 minutes only, and you can do it yourself at home too if you want to bring your exhaust back to life.